Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. This week we're going to kick off with a shout out. Bang for your buck RC reviews. Go check him out, Robbie. He's got a lot of content on RC, budget stuff and also other stuff. Great guy, good honest reviews. Guys, please do check him out. It's really worth a go. Obviously, I got one of his stickers up on the wall. Thanks for the stickers, Robbie. And obviously, I sent him some as well. And just like Robbie, if you want to get your stickers up on my wall, I will leave an email down on the description. Check him out. Thanks for the letter as well. Really appreciate that. Thank you. Let's go and show you on the wall. Thanks a lot, Robbie. Really appreciate it. And like I said, if you guys want to get your stickers up on the wall, just like all these people, just send me an email and we can exchange them that way. So back to the vintage stuff. As some of you know, I've taken this out on the previous video and I completely forgot there was a 2-speed gearbox on it. So I only done it on the lower gear. This time around I took it out again, fresh batteries and everything, done it on a higher gear, and guess what, it isn't much better. It's only 0.7 of a mile faster, so 3.6 miles an hour. That's all I got out of it. So it is slow, it is what it is. I'm not going to bother with it really. I like it because it's something different and it's special. What I like the most is the remote is really quirky. It's something unique really, so I will leave it as it is. Stock, it runs, it does what it says on the tin, so I will leave it as that. So next up guys, it's a GPS casing protector kind of thing. I was asked by my mate Chris, that you probably guys seen him on a couple of videos recently, if I could print him a box, which I did. I tried that one first from Thingiverse. Mind you, it doesn't have a hole in it, so I'll just drill a hole in it. I don't really like the idea because it was so tight. Once you actually get your GPS in there, you could not get it out. So not ideal really for me. I like the idea, but not great. Another one I did was that one. It's a slimline, which has got a hole underneath so you can push it out. You just mount it by gluing it with double-sided tape, and then you put a zip tie on the top. Not a bad idea. I quite like that one better. The only thing is, I think it's quite weak, because if you're going to zip tie it, this is only thin, so you could end up breaking quite easy, and the actual GPS is quite exposed. So if you have tumbles, if it's on the outside, you probably end up damaging it. So what I did is, instead I went ahead and designed and print this one. It's a 3-part thing, and you can either assemble it by screwing that plate to the bottom box, and then you use the strap just like on this one here, and then that screws on the top as well. So you got 2mm screw going through it. That bolts all together, or you can just put double-sided tape in there and glue it down, and you can easily access the GPS like so. Pull it up and it's done. I think it will work a lot better than that, because that's hard to get the thing out, and this one is quite exposed, so with that you get a bit of both really. Easy access, easy mountable. Yeah, so that's that guys. Another thing I want to show you is, let's get this out of the way, the FTX Stinger, or H&R Panther. I had it out again, and obviously I put new tyres on it. I only tried it on the 2S. I didn't want to do any speed runs on it. I just want to see how it goes, and yeah, a lot better, a hell of a lot better. From the first video, well, that didn't quite go to plan. the gyro was set up wrong, mind you, and the tyres were too soft, and it didn't really, I didn't actually enjoy it. It was a bit of a letdown on the first run, but learn from your mistakes. So the gyro is actually turned off right now. I got no gyro on it, and I changed the tyres and wheels, and obviously I had the brake discs. That really helps when it comes to stopping. Not. So yeah, that's what I did, guys. I simply changed the tyres and wheels. They are only cheap tyres from AliExpress. I think they were like $3 or $4 for a set, so they're only cheap, but honestly it performed a lot better. So anyway, guys, that is it for this week. I'll leave you some full footage of this going around the car park. I haven't done a speed test on it because I just want to take it out and see how it behaves with the new tyres and all that. And that is it. That nearly worked well. I think that gyro is not very good, really, is it? Keeps on juddering. Oh yeah, I haven't forgotten, guys. This will be on a giveaway soon, so if you guys are still watching the video, keep on watching the videos, and I will put up details possibly on a next 1 or 2 videos how you could win this. So keep in touch, keep watching, and you will find out how. Take care. Well, that's on a 2-air slide ball, same as before. And to be honest, guys, I think a 2-air slide ball is good enough for it.